I love the inside that it drives itself. It parks itself.
Yes.
It's so convenient. It has so many features. It has everything. But for under $55,000, you can get this car for under $55,000.
To me, it's one thing you like. We can't just name one thing, can we?
Right, well, only one thing.
Only one thing.
Hey guys, I'm telling you, we have 60 of them coming, and we're doing a giant party.
We're doing the biggest party of the century, maybe of the history of the world.
Yeah, there's no dealership out of 800 Kia stores in the nation will have 60 of those. We will. Kalita Kia.
That's because we are the #1 Kia dealership.
Number one. Don't let anybody fool you. We are the number one. We're #1 in volume.
#1 in customer service.
And #1 in sale.
That's right. Come see us at Kalita Kia.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Wanna see ya at Kalita Kia. You're gonna love what you drive at Kalita Kia. We're making friends for life.